Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are good, fit, and fine as we have already studied lesson number 13 of social studies about the different states. So, today I am going to discuss the exercise of lesson number 13. So, I request you all to take your books, your pencils, and your notebooks, and please write the answers in your book. So let's go through the book, page number 113, lesson number 13. First of all, we have multiple choice question MCQs. In this, choose the correct option to answer the following questions correctly. Number 1, Chhattisgarh is located in the dash of country. Once again, Chhattisgarh is located in the dash of country. And the correct option is center east. Once again, the correct option is center east. Second one, dash was carved out of southern part of Bihar. Dash was carved out of southern part of Bihar. And the answer is Jharkhand. Third one, the Dash Dam is the fourth largest dam in the world, built on the Mahanadi River. The answer is Hirakud. The answer is Hirakud. Number 4, Panaji is the capital of. Panaji is the capital of. The correct option is Goa. Now, second, we have answered the following questions. Number 1, name the states that border Jharkhand. Once again, name the states that border Jharkhand. The answer is the states that borders Jharkhand are Uttar Pradesh and Chhattisgarh to the west, Odisha to the south, West Bengal to the east, Bihar to the north. Once again, the states that borders Jharkhand are Uttar Pradesh and Chhattisgarh to the west, Odisha to the south, West Bengal to the east, and Bihar to the north. Second question is, what are the two main river systems of Karnataka? The two main river systems of Karnataka are the Krishna and its tributaries and the Kaveri and its tributaries. Once again, I will repeat the answer. The two main river systems of Karnataka are the Krishna and its tributaries and the Kaveri and its tributaries. Third question is, how and when was Telangana formed? Telangana was formed in June 2014. Earlier, it was part of Andhra Pradesh. Once again, I will repeat the answer. Telangana was formed in June 2014. Earlier, it was part of Andhra Pradesh. Question number 4. What are the important cities of Tamil Nadu and why? Write in brief. Important cities of Tamil Nadu are Chennai, as it is the third largest industrial and commercial hub of India. Mahabalipuram is a city famous for its ancient and cultural heritage. Madurai, Vellore, Ooty, Kanchipuram, Coimbatore, and Pondicherry are some other famous cities of Tamil Nadu. Once again, I will repeat the answer. Important cities of Tamil Nadu are Chennai, as it is the third largest industrial and commercial hub of India. Mahabalipuram is a city famous for its ancient and cultural heritage. Madurai, Vellore, Ooty, Kanchipuram, Coimbatore, and Pondicherry are some other famous cities of Tamil Nadu. So now, moving ahead to the C part, we have read the following sentences carefully and mark tick on the true and wrong on the false one. Karnataka was originally known as the state of Mysore. True. Jharkhand possesses plenty of minerals in the form of coal, iron, and manganese. True. Hyderabad is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Wrong. Sabarmati is the largest river in Gujarat. True. Once again, I will repeat. Karnataka was originally known as state of Mysore. True. Jharkhand possesses plenty of minerals in the form of coal, iron, and manganese. True. Hyderabad is the capital of Tamil Nadu. False. Sabarmati is the largest river in Gujarat. So we have first one true, second one true, third one false, and again fourth one true. Now, moving ahead with the D part, fill in the blanks with the help of the words given in the help box. As the answers are given in the help box, so you have to choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Okay. So first one we have, there are dash rivers that flow in Kerala. So the correct answer is 44. There are 44 rivers that flow in Kerala. The dash is the largest river in Gujarat. Sabarmati. The Sabarmati is the largest river in Gujarat. Dash is Goa's capital. Panaji is Goa's capital. The state of Dash was formed in June 2014. The state of Telangana was formed in June 2014. So students, please do all these work in your notebooks in neat and clean handwriting. Moving ahead, we have E part, correctly match column A with column B. As in your books, column A is given and column B is given. So you have to correctly match. But what you have to do, you have to write the correct answer in front of the question. No need to draw the lines or do the matching. Okay. So as in column A, we have given number 1 Chhattisgarh, number 2 Odisha, number 3 Telangana, number 4 Gujarat. So, and the column B we have given Bhubaneswar, Hyderabad, Gandhinagar, Raipur. In your book it is given Ranchi, so please make it correct. Write it Raipur. Okay. So now we will solve. We will write the answers. Chhattisgarh, correct answer is Raipur. You have to write the answer in front of the question. Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Telangana, Hyderabad, Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Once again, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Telangana, Hyderabad, Gujarat, Gandhinagar. So, we have discussed all the exercises, true, false, matching, fill in the blanks, question answers, MCQs. So, you have to write down in your notebooks in a neat and clean handwriting, as well as you have to learn it very carefully. So students, that's all for today, and please, once again I request you to write down all the exercise in your notebook in neat and clean handwriting, and also the question answers. No spelling error should be there, no spelling mistake should be there. Please write correctly in your notebooks.